I'm going to show you how we can analyze clinical trial protocols using the Clinical Trial Risk Tool by Fast Data Science. First, I'm going to the website of the Clinical Trial Risk Tool, which is clinicaltrials.gov. I can log in, or you can also just use the tool in guest mode without creating an account. Once I'm inside the Clinical Trial Risk Tool, I can look for example protocols from the drop-down, or I can search for a key phrase and the tool will locate protocols on a registry such as clinicaltrials.gov. You can also drag and drop your own PDF protocol from your desktop onto the tool. The Clinical Trial Risk Tool uses natural language processing and AI to analyze the content of the PDF protocol that I've chosen or uploaded. So this is a PDF and it's going to look for key risk and cost factors. Now the tool displays a report. It displays the actual original PDF and I have a list of recommendations. So it's telling me some things are good about my trial design. For example, I've got a statistical analysis plan present in the document that was uploaded. My prevalence is present, and there are some things that require attention, such as an effect estimate, which ideally should be stated in the protocol, and things that I should consider doing. I can then look at the cost calculation spreadsheet and see what the tool has assessed my trial as being likely to cost. You can actually change the values of these weights and the assumptions that the tool makes. So if I disagree with how the cost has been calculated, I can change the unit cost of an intervention, and then the tool will update the predicted cost. And I can also see the risk calculation spreadsheet, which shows how the risk score has been calculated. If I disagree with how either the cost or the risk has been calculated, I can go to my user settings and my user profile and change the weights here and set it so that by default, when I use the tool in future for a different protocol, a different set of thresholds will be used. You can find the tool on clinicaltrialrisk.org at this URL, and you can read about how it works on our blog. You can also read a little bit more on our blog at fastdatascience.com. Soon, the Clinical Trial Risk Tool will also be able to produce site budgets and per subject budgets using the schedule of events in the protocol.